Hey, Emma, long time no see. You look kinda tired, but happy. What's going on?
You noticed? Yeah, I just came back from the gym. My first day.
Oh, first day. That explains it. How was it?
Hmm. Let's just say my body is confused. I'm proud, but also in pain.
Ah, that sounds like every beginner's story. Tell me everything. What happened?
Okay, so I joined this new gym near my apartment. I was nervous because it's my first time ever in a gym.
Really? Never before?
Nope. I walk a lot. I do yoga sometimes, but gym? No. Machines scare me.
Yeah, all those machines look like something from a sci-fi movie.
Exactly. So I entered, and the trainer came up to me with this super friendly smile. He said, "Hi, first day?"
And you said,
Yes. And I have no idea what I'm doing.
honest answer. Trainers love that.
He laughed too and said, "Don't worry, I'll guide you." He gave me a tour of the gym first.
That's nice.
Yeah, he showed me all the equipment. He said, "This is the treadmill. This one's for legs. That one's for arms." I nodded, but honestly, my brain was like, what is all this?
Classic first day panic.
Then he asked, "What's your goal?"
Ooh, that's the trainer question. What did you say?
I said, "I just want to feel healthy. Not too thin, not too muscular, just strong."
Good answer.
Then he smiled and said, "Perfect, we'll start light."
Sounds like a good trainer.
Yeah, he was patient. He asked me some basic questions too, like if I have any injuries or if I've worked out before.
Makes sense. Trainers need to know that before they plan your workout.
Right. So he told me, always warm up first. He showed me how to stretch.
Did you do it right?
I tried. He said, "Don't bounce, move slowly." I was shaking like a leaf.
I can totally imagine that.
After stretching, he made me walk on the treadmill for 10 minutes.
Okay, that's easy.
It was until he increased the speed. I was like, wait, wait, wait. He laughed and said, "You can do it."
Trainers love saying that line. You can do it.
Yeah. After treadmill, he showed me dumbbells, small ones. He said, "Start with 2 kilograms."
That's good. Late weights first.
I lifted them like a pro for the first 5 seconds, and then my arm said nope.
Welcome to the club.
Then he said something that stuck with me. He said, "The first day isn't about strength. It's about learning."
Wow, that's actually deep.
Right? He said, "Everyone starts weak, but those who stay consistent become strong."
That's true for English, too.
Exactly. I thought of that too. So what else did you do?
He taught me posture. He kept saying, back straight, shoulders relaxed. I didn't know standing could be so hard.
Yeah, posture is everything.
Then he gave me a mat and said, let's try some basic floor exercises.
Like what?
Some crunches, planks, simple stuff. But it felt like climbing a mountain.
Oh yeah, planks are evil.
He said, just 30 seconds. I said, are you sure this is only 30 seconds? It felt like 30 years.
Oh, I know that feeling.
But he kept encouraging me. You're doing great. Don't stop. And I did it.
That's awesome. You survived day 1.
Barely. When I stood up, my legs were shaking. I said, I think my body forgot how to walk.
First day's always the hardest.
He said, you'll feel sore tomorrow. Don't worry. It means your muscles are waking up.
Muscles are waking up. That's such a nice way to say you're going to be in pain.
True.
Did you ask him anything else?
Yeah, I asked, what should I eat after the workout?
Oh, good question.
He said have protein, eggs, milk, or a banana. Keep it simple.
That's solid advice.
I also asked, can I work out every day? He said no, rest is important. Your body needs to recover.
Smart trainer. Some people forget that part. Yeah. Then I asked, when will I see results?
The classic question.
He smiled and said, be patient. Don't look for results every day. Just keep showing up.
That's such good advice.
I liked his energy. He wasn't pushing too hard. He said, the gym should make you feel good, not scared.
That's a perfect trainer attitude.
After the session, he said, good job today. Drink water, rest, and come back tomorrow.
Nice.
And when I walked out, I looked at all the people lifting heavy weights. I realized everyone started small.
Exactly. Nobody wakes up strong. They become strong by showing up again and again.
Yeah, that thought made me smile.
You know, I like how your trainer focused on progress, not perfection.
Yes, he even said, don't compare yourself with others. Compare with who you were yesterday.
Wow. That's not just gym talk. That's life advice.
True. I think gym teaches discipline. It's not just about body, it's about mindset.
Totally. You build confidence with every rep, every step.
And the funny thing, I was scared for nothing. Everyone was focused on their own workout. Nobody cared about me.
Yeah, people think everyone's watching them, but really, everyone's thinking about themselves.
Exactly. So next time, I'll walk in like I belong there.
That's the spirit.
The trainer said something nice when I left. He said, see you tomorrow, warrior.
Wow, that must have felt great.
Yeah, I felt proud. I actually did something new.
That's courage, stepping into something unfamiliar.
I agree. And it reminded me of learning English. At first, it's uncomfortable, but then with time, you feel confident.
Yes, you make mistakes, you feel awkward, but you grow.
Exactly. So tomorrow, I'll go again. Maybe slower, but stronger.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks. But I have a feeling I won't be able to lift my arms tomorrow.
That's the price of greatness.
Greatness or pain.
Both.
True. But honestly, it feels good to take care of my health.
Absolutely. It's self-love.
Yeah. The trainer said, you're not punishing your body. You're thanking it.
Wow, that's beautiful.
I thought so too.
So what's your plan now?
Eat, rest, and tomorrow, show up again, slowly.
Perfect plan.
And maybe next week I'll try that scary-looking rowing machine.
Go for it, one step at a time.
Yes, I'll just keep asking questions, learning, and improving.
That's the right mindset, both for gym and for life.
Thanks, John. Talking about it makes me feel even more motivated.
That's what friends are for.
So tomorrow, if you don't hear from me, I'm probably too sore to move.
I'll send help or coffee.
Coffee sounds perfect.
Then it's a deal. You work out, I bring coffee.
Best deal ever.
All right, take care, gym warrior.
Thanks, John. See you soon.
See you. And remember, the first day is always the hardest, but it's also the most important.
You're right, because it's the day you start.
Exactly. And once you start, you're already winning.
I'll remember that. Bye, John.
Bye, Emma.